Hey guys, what's going on? It's T-Carp. All right, it is cold today. It is a whopping 19 degrees outside, and I wanted to just do good old-fashioned knife review from in the car. I'm talking about the Boker Stockman, and this is the copper Burlap Micarta Stockman. This bad boy is, oh, it's so nice. So let's get into this. Let's play around with it. All right, so let's look at the knife in detail here. It's got copper bolsters or pins, burlap micarta, stainless steel back, copper liners, and this is a 01 tool steel knife, and it is acid wash. And guys, I really like these high carbon steel blades. So it is absolutely just clean and elegant and just right out of the box stupid sharp. Now the price on these bad boys is expensive. The price on these bad boys is about $100. Now the question is do you get $100 worth of knife in these Boker Stockmans? Wait to the end of it to figure it out. The design, absolutely rustic, classic design, slip joint, walk and talk is awesome. Actually, yeah, it's worth $100. Like there's your review. Now, for those who want to hang out with me, please hang out. This, oh, the walk and talk on this is awesome. It doesn't have a half stop. It is full all the way. It's there and there. Some knives will have a half stop where it stops there. This one does not. This one is just a quintessential gentleman's knife. This is my first one in 01 tool steel. It's a little bit similar to like 1095 high carbon steel. This thing will rust on you. You have to keep it oiled, or don't like be in a don't be in a environment to where it gets a lot of water on it. This is not a cooking up fish knife. This is your really nice EDC, your office knife, something to carry with you that is just absolutely, just in my opinion, gorgeous, easy to sharpen. I've sharpened this bad boy up several times on the work sharp just to kind of get it super sharp. Let's see how she does with paper. Oh, nice there. Little bit of hitch. Nice there. Very nice. So again, right through that, let's do receipt paper, which is a little bit harder. Nice. Just right through it. Absolutely razor sharp, and you can maintain it and keep it razor sharp. I'm not going to be, again, I am a function over an ease of sharpen guy over the super high, like knife steel has to be extremely hard guy. Now that's just me, and some will say O2 is soft, and it may be. It's just easy to sharpen for me, and I like that. I like the fact that I can just get it razor sharp very quickly and go. It doesn't take me very long to sharpen. I don't mind it. That's just my opinion. Some people don't like that. Some people want a knife that is extremely durable and hard, and whatnot. But it just depends on what you want and what your level of sharpening ability and what you enjoy is. So, but when it comes to this this Boker, like when it comes to just fit and finish, it's absolutely just superb. It really is. Now, and this is kind of the difference between, you see the $20 knives that I have, and I love them, and this is just a difference. It's fit and finish. There's a difference between a Toyota and a Mercedes. Will they both get you down the road? Yes. Mercedes is a little bit nicer. Just a thought there. But this Boker Stockman, it's $100. I think I got this at Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Love the brown micarta burlap handles on it. It's just so easy, so nice. You know, cons are it's not tactical. I'm not really looking for a tactical knife. Pros are, like, you can pull this out and anybody, it doesn't offend anybody. That's why I really like the gentleman's knives, you know, these in the pocket knives. Is lately it's like I don't want to pull it out and people be, oh, it's easy to pull out, and I'm with mixed company sometimes, so it's easy to pull out and use and not offend anybody. So just a thought there. Again, Boker Stockman,